Shelters are keeping some of our most vulnerable community members safe and healthy during this time, but they need your help. Madeline O'Neill live downtown with how homeless shelters are responding to COVID-19. Maddie?
Eric, if we get sick, most of us can self-quarantine. But what about those who don't have homes? This is making homeless shelters all the more important, but they're having trouble keeping up.
There are things that we're managing right now that could very quickly fall apart.
As we're told to stay home, staff at Porchlight are helping those who don't have anywhere to go. An average of 130 men a night at its 3 overnight church shelters, 140 over the past 3 days.
I need essential services that cannot stop in a crisis situation.
But Executive Director Carla Tennis says essential supplies like masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer are nearly gone. They're low on staff, and the social distancing recommendation of 6 feet apart isn't possible.
We are full. People are sitting on mats on the floor. They're inches apart. We just don't have the space.
The Salvation Army is facing similar challenges, sheltering about 40 women and 22 families a night, doing its best to keep beds 6 feet apart, reduce face-to-face interactions, and provide more hand sanitizer. But at the end of the day, offering resources comes first.
The Salvation Army is the only emergency family shelter and emergency women's shelter in all of Dane County. So if people can't come here, there's no other place to go.
At Porchlight, Tennis says they plan to start screening for symptoms at intake, but currently lack the supplies. She's also pushing city, county, and state officials to find a larger site to use as an emergency shelter, like the Line Energy Center, so they can quarantine if necessary, and give those without a home the same protections as everyone else.
So many things need to happen in order for us to do this well. Right now, we're just surviving.
Some other concerns include volunteers who are older, how long they can continue helping out, making food, especially with restaurants being closed, the worry of getting food delivered. The shelters are working with health officials during this rapidly changing situation. They're stressing that they will remain open. Now, if you're able to help out with any of these very needed items, we have some ways you can do that on our website right now, channel3000.com.
Maddie.